India's constitution, adopted on January 26, 1950, is a remarkable document. It's actually the longest written constitution in the world. It reflects the hopes and aspirations of a newly independent nation. The constitution lays out the framework for India's democratic governance. It guarantees fundamental rights to all citizens. It emphasizes equality, justice, and fraternity. The framing of the Constitution was a monumental task. It involved intense debate and deliberation. The Constituent Assembly, comprising eminent leaders, worked tirelessly. They drew inspiration from various sources, including the Government of India Act, 1935. The Constitution reflects India's rich history, diverse culture, and commitment to social justice. This essay will delve into the key aspects of the Indian Constitution. It will explore the significance of its articles, highlighting notable amendments. The essay will also discuss the historical context and the Constitution's enduring importance in modern India. The Constitution's opening articles lay the groundwork for India's structure and identity. Article 1 proclaims India as a union of states. This signifies that India is not a result of an agreement between independent states. It emphasizes the country's inherent unity. Article 2 empowers the Parliament to admit new states. This provision allows for flexibility in accommodating future changes. Article 3 deals with the formation of new states. It also covers the alteration of areas, boundaries, or names of existing states. The power to make such changes lies with the Parliament. However, this power is not absolute. The Parliament must follow a specific procedure involving consultation with the affected state legislature. Article 4 clarifies that laws made under Article 2 or Article 3 are exempt from certain provisions. Specifically, these laws do not require ratification by state legislatures. This exception ensures the smooth implementation of decisions related to state formation or alteration. Now, let's delve into the intricate balance of power and responsibility, as outlined in Articles 52 to 78 of the Indian Constitution. These articles lay the foundation for the roles and duties of the President, the Vice President, and the Council of Ministers. Article 52 establishes the office of the President of India, who is the head of state. Meanwhile, Article 53 vests executive power in the President, but it's exercised in accordance with the Constitution. Moving on, Article 54 details the election process of the President, which involves an electoral college. And then Article 56 specifies the term of office, which is 5 years, unless re-elected. The Vice President's role is defined in Articles 63 to 71. The Vice President acts as the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha and steps in as President when necessary. Articles 74 and 75 outline the structure and responsibilities of the Council of Ministers, headed by the Prime Minister. This council aids and advises the President in the exercise of their functions. Finally, Article 78 lays down the duties of the Prime Minister in relation to furnishing information to the President. It's all about ensuring a smooth and effective governance system. So, these articles collectively ensure that power is not concentrated in a single entity, but rather distributed and balanced. This framework is crucial for maintaining a responsible and accountable government. In this segment, we delve into the essence of the Indian Parliament, the voice of the people. Articles 79 to 122 lay down the structure, powers and functions of the Parliament, comprising the President, the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. These articles ensure that the legislative process is robust and representative of the diverse populace of India. Now let's explore the judiciary, the guardian of justice in India. Articles 123 to 147 outline the powers and functions of the Supreme Court. This apex court ensures that justice prevails, interpreting the Constitution and safeguarding the rights of the citizens. The judiciary stands as a pillar of democracy, ensuring that laws are upheld and fairness is maintained. Moving on, we turn our attention to the federal structure of India. Articles 148 to 243 detail the organization and powers of states and union territories. These provisions ensure a balance of power between the central government and regional authorities, fostering unity while respecting the diversity of India's vast landscape. Finally, the Indian Constitution is not just a static document, it is a living entity, evolving with the needs of its people. Through amendments and judicial interpretations, it adapts to the changing socio-political landscape, ensuring that democracy remains vibrant and inclusive. This adaptability is what makes the Constitution a true reflection of the will and aspirations of the Indian populace.